Successful relationships are developed by building trust, being genuine and authentic in our interactions. Aligning our words and actions are ways in which we build trust.
In doing what we say we will do and delivering on our promises, we demonstrate integrity. By being transparent, others understand our intentions and what we expect from them, and in turn, what they can expect from us.
Our teammates depend on us to contribute to a high standard and deliver on our promises. We all have our own individual role to play, and others should be able to rely on our contribution. This then relies on us bringing our best self to the work we do.
Standing in the gap and having the courage to speak up are important elements of integrity. We should maintain high standards of conduct with high ethics and not walk past things that are not right, whether that be related to safety, behaviour, work quality or any other matter.
Ahakoa ngā uaua, kia toa, kia kaha, kia manawa nui.
My name is Abdul Nishar and I'm a Geospatial Solutions Delivery Manager for Downer. When someone says to me that they believe or they live by Ngakau Pono or the principle of Ngakau Pono, what it means is they align their actions to their values, and which is very important to me because that forms the foundation for integrity. It's very easy to define Ngakau Pono, but putting it into action is what's important. And for me, it's all about trying to put yourself in other people's shoes. If you've got team who are new, for example, right, they might need a little bit more hand. If you've got team members who've got kids and are working from home, they need a little bit more understanding. I mean, as a leader, I believe you can definitely achieve great outcomes at the same time having empathy, being understanding, and trying to walk along with people. Ngakau Pono for our clients and mana whenua, when it comes to relationship or dealing with them, it's all about making sure you deliver what you've promised. I think any client would like to see that at the forefront of our delivery, as not only as a mission, but actually in practice. When you go about setting a standard or a brand for yourself, it has to be based on honesty, it has to be based on trust and integrity. When I first moved to New Zealand, I thought it'd be really hard to adjust to the working life here. But then when I started working, I realized it was pretty much how life was in Fiji. It's centered around people you love, people you work with, your colleagues become your friend, and that wasn't hard at all, right? And I mean, of course, New Zealand is a huge place, but the community we work in, the clients we deal with, are the same clients we deal on a very regular basis. So there's no way that you cannot be honest, you cannot be truthful, you cannot be authentic, because your clients today are going to become your clients tomorrow.
Kia ora, my name is Roimata Maihi. I'm a supervisor for Hawkins. Ngakau Pono is two words. Ngakau meaning your heart, and Pono means true, honest, genuine, authentic, sincere. And the words together, Ngakau Pono, means to have a true heart, an authentic heart, sincere heart. I believe it's important that as a company we hold true to our values, to our tikanga. And it's admirable and humbling to have one of our pillars, our po, Ngakau Pono, underpinning our work, our mahi. I have been very fortunate to work under managers who exemplified Ngakau Pono in the way they conducted themselves with clients, also in the way that they interacted with subcontractors and those on the floor. You know, I saw true hearts shining. Your mana is all about Ngakau Pono, being honest and truthful. In life, things come and go, but what remains and what really matters is who you are. Walking in your mana, walking in your belief, walking true to yourself, being authentic and genuine in your approach to everybody, not just to your whānau or your friends, but to everybody.